Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this quick Photoshop tutorial, I will show you how to add a new layer in just a few seconds. So let's begin the video. To add a new layer, go to the Layers panel on the right. At the bottom, you will see a small square icon. That's the New Layer button. Just click it. And there you have it, a new layer appears. If you don't see your layer panels here, you can go to Window and then click on Layers. So there you have it. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beginner Photoshop tips. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.